This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. October 5th, 2018. This one here, I gotta go do an oil burner furnace. Lowboy furnace, it's oil fired. It's an annual, I do this one every year, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal. You know, change a nozzle and check the oil flow and maybe check the combustion on it. Make sure everything's okay. If they run clean and lean, you know, they're not all full of soot. That's the way to do them. Miss Molly's fitting right in over here. She's getting very, she's got the routine down pat, looks like. Huh, Miss Molly? Yeah, you love working. You love going to work. Yeah, you love going to work. I know it. Yeah, you love working. Yeah, you love working. Alright guys, I'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Last year we put in the nozzle, had a good oil flow. Thing with furnaces, they don't run as much as the boilers do. A lot of times the boilers have tankless heaters, they have to run for the hot water. What they call a lowboy furnace. We'll check the oil flow through the pump, see what we're getting for a flow. Might not have to change the filter. She says the air filter's been changed in the back there. My husband did it. So that's good. An oil furnace, there's the TT right there. So I just got to jump that out with a jumper and it'll run. I'm going to check the oil flow. Jump out TT. I'll jump out FF so I can run it and see what we got for flow. Once this starts. That's fine. My filter's not dirty, so why change it? See it? That's what we want. See it? Got it on the fire. Now, if I think it's full of soot, it would get backdraft. Rolling right out of there. It's just kind of flopping in the wind there. There you guys, you can see the low boy, the supply and the return come off the top. No filter, good oil flow, good draft over fire. Now I checked the pump, the oil coming through the pump. If the filter was dirty at the tank or that pump filter was dirty, I wouldn't get a good flow. It's a rear flow. Flue comes off the back. She said they just changed the filter inside there. I don't see any leaks. This filter's still fine. Yeah, got a full tank of oil there. Very good.